everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy if you're new here, and today's video I'm going to do a little bit of everywhere haul. Some of it's just restocking on things I ran out of and I've used. I'll be having an empties video coming up soon, but for right now it's just kind of everything I ran out of, things I've been out of for a while and finally got around to picking up, some new things I wanted to try. You can see the bags here. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay, so if you've seen the intro, we are going to get into kind of an everywhere haul. I went to TJ Maxx a couple of times, Ulta, Walgreens, Dollar General, just a few different places, just kind of picked up some things I'd seen along the way. And I also got some stuff off Amazon. So it's just a little of everything. So we're going to start with this bag. I don't know which one's fuller. I picked up some Handina glitter liquid liners. I got these from Amazon. They just look really cool and I wanted to give them a try. So we'll be testing those out. I want to get into some more bolder looks, so I want to try to give those a whirl. I really like these, the Believe lashes from that. I don't like the way they did it. From Dollar General. These are really great and they're really pretty. So I wanted to get some more of those. And then I got some NYX glitter primer. It's a glitter glue. I've got some loose glitters and loose pigments and I've never really used them, so I thought I'd pick this up and give them a try. Like I said, I want to try to get into some more bolder looks here. I picked this actually up at TJ Maxx, and this is the Do You Fresh Glow Luminous Primer by Too Faced. And it just comes in a cute little package like that. It looks like it's got an air bubble, probably from being laid down on its side of my bag there. Shake it up real good and we're good. So we'll be giving this a try in one of my videos. I've tried the Buxom mascara, but I've never tried any of their lip products. So I got the Vava Plump Shiny Liquid Lipstick, and this is in Push Up Pink. And you can kind of see through the words here, and there's a little strip here. You can see the color. It's really pretty. So we'll be giving that a try in an upcoming video. I like to kind of shave my face and it gets all the dead skin and everything off, so I picked up some more of my little razors that I use. They're nothing exciting. Found these at TJ Maxx, and they're the Kala 3D Foam Ink Weightless Curl and Volume in Bossy. I'm really trying to get into a little bit bolder lash than what I've been wearing. Try something new. Reach out. There's one. I got two. There it is. I picked up two of the Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundations while I was at TJ Maxx. I got Shell and 2C1 Bisque because I couldn't tell which color would really go, so I figured maybe I can mix the two to get my perfect shade. So we'll give those a try. As well as I picked up the Becca Skin Love Brighten and Blur Primer. I am not getting it very good. Here we go. We're gonna give that a try. I needed more makeup sponges, and I seen these Precision Beauty Pro Blending Sponges, Rosehip Infused, to help improve skin health. So I wanted to give those a try. A lot of this I think is from TJ Maxx, to be honest. I love that place. I did order this off of Amazon. It just looked really intriguing. I also got one of those silicone, kind of like the Foreo facial scrubbers, and I love that thing. Oh my goodness. I can take all my makeup off and then I run over it with a micellar water and then use that thing and I still get tons off. It's amazing. So, but this is remove makeup, cleanse, and tone with coconut water and sea algae complex. Powerhouse antioxidants is the Sea Foam Complete Face Wash by Pacifica. So we're going to be giving that a try. I was over at Ulta and I picked up their Ardell Professional Clear Adhesive for lashes. It's the brush on. I've never tried a brush on. I've always just used a little squeezy tube and that's a mess. So I want to give this a try and see if this works. I still have my allergies kicking my behind. I went from a cold to allergies. It's fabulous. And then I picked up 2 of the Ardell. One is Glamour and one is Mega Volume. The Glamour is $141 and those are beautiful. And then the Mega Volume $250. I can't wait to try these out too. Oh, so many lashes to try. Not enough days. And then I also got another of the Believe Glamour Finish lashes there. Yay. Almost getting done with one bag. We're getting there. Then I just picked up some more. I love the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water all-in-one. Removes makeup, cleanse, and soothes. This is great. I use this after my cleansing balm to just kind of pull as much more up as I can. And it really does well with like getting the lash glue off and stuff, so I really like this. And then I picked up my waterline liner is almost out, my waterproof, so I picked up a NYX Professional Makeup Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and Definitely Turn On Waterproof Extreme Shine Eyeliner. And this one is in black. Jet black. So, and that's what that looks like. I want to give that a try. And I picked up when I was at Ulta, and I don't know what this sticker is for. Essence You Better Work Volume and Curl Mascara, Gem Proof and Waterproof. So let's see how well this one works. Over at TJ Maxx, I found this. It's Too Faced Do You Fresh Glow Transparent Setting Powder. And it is in Translucent Radiant Pearl. And the package, I think, is just super cute. And then it's kind of a, I don't know if you can see, it's like a pinky white color. I think it's really pretty. I have like combination oily skin, so I'm always looking for a good translucent powder, but I still want to be glowy. I mean, I don't want to look oily, I want to look glowy. Kind of dewy, not wet. But I do like a wet highlight. I can't help that. And then I found these over at TJ Maxx for like $2 or $3 here. Take the sticker off so you can actually read it, but this is the Creme Shop Clear the Way 60 count pre-wet cleansing towelettes. I do swatches for everybody here, and then I also like to use a good wipe down my neck when I'm cleaning up at night. So I picked up those, and that's what that looks like. So we'll give those a try. And finally, there's one bag down. I picked up the Ulta Cleansing Balm with coconut oil and shea butter. And I want to give this a try. I'm always looking for a good one that's not as expensive as like my favorite. I absolutely love the Clinique's Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. That one is fabulous. For some reason I'm sorry, here, let me fix this. There we go. That one is fabulous, but it's like $30 for one. So I'm like, let's see what else we can find out there, but I'll probably still be buying more of my ultimate favorite. Now this one's really mostly just drugstore. This one, I think, this bag is all Walgreens for the most part. I picked up some more hair color, the Garnier Olay brilliant color, visibly healthy hair, with 60% oils and no pneumonias in medium golden brown. I'm going to lighten it a little bit for summer. And I love doing my own hair. Now this I ordered off of Ipsy. I got a nice little deal. It's the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. I've never tried it, so I wanted to give that a try. I love the boxes. I don't know if you can tell. It's got like glitter in it. I think that's so cool. So I picked up also, I was out of my lemon exfoliating slices by Clean and Clear. They're a resurfacing pad. These are really good. I just, after I'm done with taking off all my makeup and washing it, and then I go in with this, go over that before my toner. I picked up some more tan. I was using light medium, and I've noticed that that doesn't really add any color to my skin. So I picked up because I love the Jergens Natural Glow Instant Sun foaming bronzer. They call it a sunless tanning mousse. But I picked up deep bronze this time to see if I can get a little bit of color going, because I tanned yesterday and, well, you can't really tell. So I want to try that. And then I got some new face cream because I'm almost out for my night cream. So I got the Olay Night of Olay Firming Night Cream. We're going to give that a try. And then the Ultra Lift Anti-Wrinkle Firming Eye Cream reduces crow's feet and tightens and lifts. Pro Retinol Antioxidant Complex by Garnier Skin Active. And we'll be giving that a try. And I picked those all up at Walgreens. Well, we made it through. This is a really good size haul. I'm kind of looking forward. I'm going to do some videos with everything, see how it all works out. And until next time, I will see you. Have a great day, wonderful weekend. Lots of love to everybody and their families. Bye, guys.